Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is part 5 I believe of our HTML series, and today we're gonna be learning lists. So roll the intro and let's begin. Alright, so there are three types of lists. The first one is ordered list, the second is unordered list, and the third one is definition list. So I'm gonna type my basic snippet first, and then just gonna go to the body, and then I'm gonna comment some words, and I'm gonna give you some notes as well. So the first one is ordered list. The second one is unordered list, and third one is definition list. Now personally I've rarely used definition list, but we usually use ordered list and unordered list a lot of times. I'm gonna comment this out real quick. Okay, so the first one is the ordered list. So the difference between ordered list and unordered list is that the ordered list is just like alphabets or numbers. So 1 2 3 A B C D, we can use that. And in the unordered list we just use bullets, so circles, dotted circles, squares, triangles, something like that. The syntax for ordered list is gonna be, the starting bracket would be OL, which means ordered list, closing with a slash with an OL, and then for each list item we do is li, which basically means list item, and then we can just close it by just saying list item, and then in between we can write whatever we want, ABC. I'm gonna save it and we're gonna run it. Here you go. There's an extra bracket. Oh. Okay, so you can see it's just one. Now if I make, let's just say 5 of these, and then I'm just gonna change it to, there's a typo. So you can see it's an ordered list with just like numbers in it. Let's just say I don't want numbers, I want capital letters or capital alphabets or lowercase ones. So for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type is equal to whatever I want to write. For example, I want numbers, or I want uppercase A, and then I'm gonna save it and run it. You can see it started the alphabets. For lowercase, you can do is this. Okay, now let's just say there's a unique scenario and I want my list to start from C instead of A. For that, I'm gonna write start from and 3. So it's gonna skip A and B, which is on 1 or 2, and they're gonna start from C. Let's see. There you go. Now let's just say I want AA or AB. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 27, and then I'm gonna start again. that would means I've finished a set of alphabets and it's gonna start again. So you can give any number that you want and it's gonna start from there. You can also put this thing in here if you want to. So let's just say I want to start from C. Okay, let's just say I'm gonna start from 11, which I would believe it's gonna be a K, and the hello, I want the letter M, so I'm gonna skip a couple of letters. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type value. So start is gonna get replaced with value, since I only want one, just a specific thing, not for the whole list. And I'm gonna type here 13, so it's gonna skip 12. Let's see. Okay, see, so it's KLM, it skipped the L and it came right to M. Okay, and now we're gonna jump to unordered list. Unordered list. So for the unordered list, it's similar. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys, for the ordered list there was another thing that was reversed. If I want to start from back, I can also just type reverse. And it's gonna start from the back. Yep. So coming back to unordered list, what we're gonna do is, it's very similar. So instead of OL, I'm gonna type UL, which practically means unordered list. And the li is gonna be same, because that just means list or items, right? Now let's just say I'm gonna copy this list. And then you can see the difference in here. Let's just say I want squares instead of circles, so I'm gonna use type same as the ordered list, and I'm gonna type square. Just gonna change it to square. Let's just say I want disk. It's gonna change back to disk. Circle. There you go. I'm pretty sure there are other bullets as well. So what you can do is, I believe, you can head to Word and there is a bullet section, right? So you can just type the names, just look for a bullet there, and you can just type the name here and it should probably work. Or you can just Google it as well. Also you can, I'll leave some I'll maybe I'll leave a link or two at the description for this if I'll find any. Okay, so the last one, it's gonna be a definition list. Oops. Okay, I broke my keyboard, so I'm using my laptop's keyboard, which kind of sucks because I'm making typos. So the definition list, we don't use this that much, but it is kind of unique. I like it. So basically what we can do in this is we can define a specific word. So let's just say I want to type bullet, and then I want to define what bullets are supposed to be. So what I'm gonna do is DL, which means definition list, and I'm gonna close it. And then in between, what I can use is I can use DT, which means definition list, or I can use DD, which means definition description. Oops, Control K, Control Z. So the definition list is just for the definition, the title, or you can say, and the definition description is what you have. You can describe that thing. So DT, and I'm gonna type this is supposed to be DL, definition list, which I'm using right now, and instead of DL, I'm going to use DT in here, which means definition term. Oof, I'm getting rusty. So I'm going to use DT in here. I'm going to type anything like Google, and then in the DD I'm gonna type it's a search engine, and then I want to, so you can see under Google it says it's a search engine. So that's what I basically do. DL, oops, okay, so DL is supposed to be how you write it. DD is definition description, which defines the title or the term, and DT is definition term. So that's it for the list. In the next video we're gonna be learning how to nest our list. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.